What is history? History is the study of past events, people, cultures, and societies. It is a dynamic and ever-evolving discipline that seeks to understand the past in order to comprehend the present and anticipate the future. History is more than just a collection of dates, facts, and figures. It is the narrative of human experience, encompassing the rise and fall of civilizations, the evolution of ideas, and the complex interplay of political, social, economic, and cultural forces. The word history comes from the Greek word historia, which means inquiry or investigation. It is through this process of investigation that historians piece together the events of the past, using a variety of sources such as written documents, artifacts, oral traditions, and other records. Historians analyze these sources to construct an accurate and coherent account of what happened, why it happened, and what it means. This process of inquiry involves critical thinking, interpretation, and sometimes debate, as different historians may interpret the same events differently based on their perspectives or the available evidence. One of the key functions of history is to provide context for the present. By studying the past, we gain insight into the forces that have shaped our world and the decisions that have led to the current state of affairs. For example, understanding the causes and consequences of major events like the World Wars, the Industrial Revolution, or the colonization of different regions helps us understand contemporary political, economic, and social dynamics. History also helps us appreciate the complexity of human societies and how different cultures have contributed to the development of the modern world. Moreover, history is not a static or fixed narrative. It is constantly being rewritten and reinterpreted as new evidence comes to light and as historians approach old questions with fresh perspectives. This makes history an ongoing conversation between the past and the present. As societies change, so too do their interpretations of history. For instance, the way we view historical figures or events can shift as social values evolve. This dynamic nature of history underscores its relevance in addressing contemporary issues and challenges. History also serves as a tool for identity formation and cultural understanding. Nations, communities, and individuals often look to history to find a sense of belonging and to understand their place in the world. National histories, for example, play a significant role in shaping a country's identity in the way its citizens perceive themselves and their role in global affairs. Similarly, cultural histories highlight the contributions of different groups and communities to the broader human story, fostering an appreciation of diversity and shared heritage. In addition, history can offer valuable lessons for decision-making and leadership. By studying the successes and failures of past leaders, policymakers can gain insights into effective governance and the consequences of various actions. While history does not always repeat itself, it often reveals patterns and trends that can inform future decisions. In conclusion, history is much more than a mere record of past events. It is an essential discipline that helps us understand the present, learn from the past, and make informed choices for the future. It provides context, fosters identity, and encourages critical thinking, making it a vital component of human knowledge and progress.